Folks, Will Holder with the William Holder Realty team here to introduce 1946 North Gratz Street as well as 1931 North 18th Street. These beautiful, fully redone 8-unit buildings, that's 16 units in total, are hitting the market soon. Call us to check it out. So if you're interested in any of these income producing properties in the heart of the Temple Student Rental District, please reach out. William Holder Realty at 484-744-4053 or will at williamholderrealty.com. Thank you.